Looking back at the good times before it all went down. Climbed right up on the hillside.
Are you excited? Are you excited? You gonna have fun?
Like and subscribe.
Did you say don't forget to subscribe?
Subscribe. Subscribe.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Subscribe and channel. Take a picture.
He watches this YouTube kids channel, and in the end they always say don't forget to subscribe, and he always say that every time when he ends a video on YouTube he say don't forget to subscribe. So that's not me, but we really appreciate if you subscribe. And we are going to this huge splash pad, and we haven't been there, but I think it's gonna be our last. I think it's gonna be our last adventure. What?
Outing.
Before baby girl comes, because she is all. I think she's ready. I feel she will be here just beginning of next week. That's my mom behind there. Não te gravando, menina. So we got this CANOPY from BZseed. I think I'm saying this name right. So they sent this to us to try out, and I'm so excited to try. It was nice.
Oh, what a hopeless case we could be. Yeah. Oh, what a hopeless place that we're in. But I'm your liability. I know you are my liability. Yeah, I know you are my liability. Oh, what a hopeless case we could be. Yeah. Looking back at the good times before it all went down. Climbed right up on the hillside. A different view of my life. You left me running on and on, but I don't care, would you let me in? You said goodbye like everything's gone. Everything that we could have been. But I know you are my liability. Yeah, I know you are my liability. You say that you're sorry. We turn the page and make up. Our broken trust got you haunted. The doubt in you was enough to leave me chasing you on and on. But I don't care, I will let you in. You said goodbye like
diffuser. It's from BZseed. I hope I'm saying this name right, but essential diffuser oil. We got it on Amazon and I'm trying on now. I'm really excited because it was non-expensive. It was like $30 and seems like pretty easy. The design is really cute. They had actually two colors. One was dark and this one, and I'm so excited.
Oh, what a hopeless case we could be. Yeah. Oh, what a hopeless place that we're in. But I'm your liability. I know you are my liability. Yeah, I know you are my liability. Oh, what a hopeless case we could be. Knew from the first time I saw ya, you were not like the others. A cool kind of melody. You rattled my cage without warning, kept it up right till the morning. A new kind of ecstasy. You found a different side of me, the one I'd like to be. A different side of me, yeah. You found a different side of me, like someone pretty neat. A different side of me, yeah. With you, there are no stop signs, counting down till we take flight. It's how you make me feel. Yeah. Let's call in sick and be lazy. I'm all for doing what's crazy, 'cause you make it